We have 3 horses in a race, and here's the winning horse, number 1, number 2, and number 3. The difference in length between the first horse and the second horse is 1/3 of a horse length. You often measure horse races like that. And the difference between the second one was 1/2 a length. And we need to work out what is the difference then between horse number 2 and horse number 3. So we're trying to work out this distance here, x. So here's our sketch. Find the difference in horse length between horse 2 and 3. Well, the difference would be the distance between 1 and 3. So it will be, if we were to put a formula, distance between 2 and 3 will be the distance between 1 and 3 minus the distance between 1 and 2. Okay? If this one, think of it if it had been whole numbers. If this one had been 5 horse lengths here, and this one had been 3 horse lengths here, how would we have got that one? 5 minus 3. Yeah, if it had been whole horse lengths. We'd have taken the distance here minus that distance there, it would have given us this distance. We do exactly the same thing even though it's fractions. So we want the long distance, which is our half, and we need to subtract 1/3 of a horse length from that. We can't subtract fractions because they have different denominators at the moment. So we have to change these into 6s. We cross multiply. Cross multiply the 3 over here, and we cross multiply the 2 over here. Why do we do that? Because it gives us everything in 6ths then. We get 3/6 on this side, and we get 2/6 on this side. Now we can do a subtraction, because it's the same rule for addition as it is for subtraction. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1/6 of a horse length between horse 2 and horse 3. So, the distance that we're looking for between 2 and 3 is 1/6. Should we check that we're right? We could do a very quick check here. 1/6 plus 1/3. If we've done this right, it should equal 1/2, because this distance plus this distance should give us our final distance. We can't add these until we convert that into 6ths as well. So 1/6 plus 2/6 equals 3/6, which is 1/2. So here's our check as well. And that's how you do that type of question.